Today I decided to ask ChatGPT to come up with a completely original garlic bread recipe that has never been invented. Garlic Bread Symphony. Well, let's see what this orchestra is all about. First step, AI says to combine our dough ingredients. Into a stand mixer, I'll combine some flour, salt, yeast, olive oil, and water for 10 minutes. Now once that's ready, I'm going to shape that dough into a ball and then get it into a bowl where I'm going to let it rise until it doubles in size. I'll chop off these garlic heads, drizzle with olive oil, wrap in foil, and bake at 400 for 40 minutes. Now once that's cooled, AI says to combine some softened butter along with a herb mixture totaling 5 tablespoons of various chopped herbs, and then I'm going to squeeze out 2 of those roasted garlic bulbs into a bowl. I'll add a pinch of salt, some freshly cracked black pepper, a drizzle of honey, and then I'll use the back of a fork to mash and combine our garlic butter mixture. The next step is to divide our dough into 2 parts. I'll flatten each of those out by pulling out the corners and then shape out each of those by folding in the corners and tucking and rolling until they're roughly shaped into loaves. Let's get that onto a lined baking sheet. Now with a sharp knife, I'll make deep cuts across the top, then I'll spread over that garlic butter mixture, making sure to get into every nook and cranny of the bread. Into an oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes, then garnish immediately. For the final AI touches, I'll sprinkle over with feta cheese, Kalamata olives, toasted pine nuts, and edible flowers to give this bread a pop. And there you have it, the AI generated garlic bread symphony. So good. Please like and follow because I drop new recipes weekly. But for now, this is episode 4 of the AI Test Kitchen.